What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Let's see here, what are we doing today? We are cleaning up. Today's video, Bella, shush it. So we're cleaning up today. Last video, I know it didn't turn out right, but we are getting a shop. I said that in the video before. So all of this has to be cleaned up. Every bit of it. I gotta come through and take down the old chicken coop. There might be rattle moccasins in here. I don't know. I don't want to find out. I do need my milk crates back, but we're just gonna probably get the Sawzall out, get some other stuff out, start cleaning that up. See here, I got a new magnet, by the way. The Harbor Freight Special. Oh, it extends way the heck out. Heck yeah. Look at that. It's like 4 feet. I don't know what's in here. I was gonna cut up close to here the other day and I didn't. Trying to think. What else we got coming to the channel? I got the barn. As soon as I get the funk off for that. I think that's it for right now. I haven't found no more animals. My wife's put in for mini donkeys, but with a kid on the way, we're trying to limit to how much stuff we have to take care of for right now. And whenever the baby gets here and he's here long enough, gets old enough, we'll start getting more animals. Once we get our sleeping habits back in order. But I think first what we're going to do is we're going to catch some stuff on fire. Because I need to burn it, spray it, and get everything cleaned up. I got people coming to bury the wells. Apparently you can't just do that in the state of Alabama by yourself. You have to hire somebody to come do it under state law. So where's Bruce and Edward? Where's Josephine? Oh, she's out there. She's eating her hay or her grass. You can't mess with her. I tell you one thing, she's one of the best little cows I've ever had. She's calm. She don't come after you. Bruce, I wish I recorded it the other day. He almost kicked my buddy Brian in the face. So, yeah. But all right, let's start burning. It looks like it's gonna rain, so best time as ever. So, maybe get some fire starter and pick up some of this stuff. Probably burn some of these old wood blocks and stuff. I got some limbs out there that need to be burned. So y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got you on the old chest mount, and if you can see there's a big old cloud. But we got everything burned, we got most of the fence cleaned down. Don't look at my mess. I need to hurry up and spread some fertilizer real quick. Oh yes. Skink right there. Y'all hang on for the ride. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Well, ain't doing y'all no good. Try to get some of this grass growing again while this rain is coming. Enough for now. Yeah, make that time. What the hell? Well, where we all fend for ourselves. Get the fertilizer, get the key, get the cameras. We'll come back for the lawnmower later. Alright guys, we just got done spraying all the fences around all the trucks and all that, and I was cutting grass the other day, and I was gonna need a lot of PVC pipe to build water lines whenever we build the shop. I was gonna tee off that, or we're gonna eliminate that one water line in front of the old chicken coop and tee into it and come all through the shop for each stall in the shop, plus a couple more spigots in the shop. And I was cutting grass the other day over here, and there's a lot of PVC pipe down in here. If I don't get eat up by briars. It's just a bunch of PVC pipe. So I don't know what it's for. I don't know, but it looks like there's probably 15 sticks in here. So looks like we got enough to do what I need to do. Give or take a stick or two. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Just farm cleanup. Putting out some fertilizer for that one pen. The grass is already growing back. It's growing back pretty quick. We've been getting rain for, shoot, a week straight and they're about every day. Which that's Alabama for you. You're gonna get, during the summertime, you're gonna get plenty of rain. So at least most of the time. I think there's one year we had a pretty bad drought. But this year she's turned out pretty good. So we got grass growing back in Bruce and Edward's old pen. I got confirmation today that everything's coming along pretty good for the pole barn. So I just gotta wait for the bank to call me and me go and order the barn kit and then have somebody put it up. But probably the next video we're gonna be moving fences and stuff. Especially a couple of these cross fences. Probably go through and fix a couple of these posts. Put a couple posts in. I was really hoping to see if the guy that I know is going to build it for me, see if he can come out and show me where the barn's where we need it to sit square, so that I can put my fences according to that. So yeah. But I'm going to go ahead and end off today's video, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, go like, subscribe, comment down below, and we will see y'all on the next one.